Hey, so I hope you had fun drawing some patterns. Now we're going to learn a little bit more about patterns. So just put down your supplies and check out some patterns in the world around you. So you know that a pattern is a design that's made up of just something that's repeating. So different shapes, different lines, something that repeats itself again and again and again. So circle, 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 square, circle, square, circle, square, straight line, squiggly line, straight line, squiggly line, and they can be even more complicated than that or just really simple too. But now that you know that, you can look in the world around you and you're going to notice that there are patterns everywhere. So if I'm looking around this room, there are some things that are patterns in here. So I have some flowers right here. If you look at the flowers and the petals, you can see that all the petals are kind of the same shape. They're kind of like little ovals. And so if you look, the ovals that make up the flower kind of go around in a circle. So the flower petals are kind of like a circle pattern of ovals. So it's like oval, 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 with all the petals going around in the circle. And you can see that different flowers have different shaped petals. So these maybe are more like triangle. So it goes triangle, 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 triangle. So that's kind of like the pattern that I drew earlier that goes around in a circle. So you can see patterns like that in nature with flowers. You see a lot of patterns in your clothes. So I have this striped shirt, and this is just a really simple pattern. It's just line, 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 and it's different colored lines, and they repeat themselves. So there's like a dark line, some light lines, and then a yellow line. And like dark line, light lines, yellow line. So this shirt is an example of patterns, and lots of clothes have patterns, stripes, polka dots, Hawaiian flowers, parrots, all kinds of patterns. If you look at the wall over here behind me, you can see a pattern, and you'll probably see this a lot outside or even inside. The walls have bricks, and the bricks make up a pattern. Bricks are rectangles, so rectangle, 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 and then they all are stacked up on top of each other in just a whole wall of patterns, just so many repeating rectangles. And if you even look at the table in front of me, it's wooden, and so there's light wood, dark wood, light wood, and then it repeats, and there's some more dark wood here. And so that's a pattern too, because the colors are different and they repeat. So light, dark, that's a pattern. I didn't talk about this earlier, but colors can make a pattern too. So I'll show you. I'm gonna get a green marker and a pink marker. So if I have a green line, pink line, green line, pink line, green line, pink line. You get the idea. But if you look at it, you can see it makes a pattern because it goes pink line, green line, pink line, green line, and it just keeps repeating itself. So colors can make a pattern too. So so take a minute and look around the room, wherever you're sitting. What's around you? Can you find any patterns? Take a good look. And right now is a really good time to pause the video. I put a link in the description of this video, just like we did last week. It goes to a slideshow that talks about a couple of artists who use pattern in their artwork. So take a look at that and see where you can find the patterns in these famous artworks. And then see if you can find any patterns in the room or the space around you and share with your group. And then go ahead and start the next video after that.